Yeah. All right, so it's been a while since I've done a copycat recipe, and this one is worthy of the title and keto-friendly. I agree. And it's our favorite there. OMG. Can we just not? No. Story time. So, through sources and probable technological espionage, the 11 super secret spices of the KFC's Original Recipe chicken have been released. Allegedly. There was an article that was posted with the story of revelation. I'll link it below. And it's also said that they had like a lot of different suppliers, and those suppliers supplied their spices. And it was so secretive, like they didn't even know what the other supplier's spices were. Hashtag super. Now, wait, that sounds so cinematic. I don't even know if that's like 100% fact. I mean, you're not wrong, but it still makes for deliciousness on the plate. Let me show you. Welcome to my kitchen. Started with the spice mixture. So to a bowl, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, a half a tablespoon of thyme, a half a tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a tablespoon of celery salt, a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of dry mustard, 4 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, a tablespoon of ground ginger, and 3 tablespoons of white pepper. Perfect. Now, we're just going to give that a really good mix until it's well combined. And then this spice mixture goes into 2 cups of our vital wheat gluten. And we're just going to whisk that until it's well combined. So, now I have some bone-in chicken thighs here. Then I'm going to take a paper towel and pat dry. Beautiful. Now we're gonna drench the chicken in our vital wheat gluten, and we're gonna shake off the excess. Now, if you want something a little bit more crispy, then what you can do is you can actually put these in an egg wash and then back into the vital wheat gluten, and that'll give a much more crispier, almost extra crispy coating. But it's not necessary. Now, I have a pot of oil heated to 275 degrees. And we're just gonna place our chicken in, and then we're gonna cover, and we're gonna fry these for about 12 minutes. Now, the crazy thing about the frying situation is I was always misunderstood. Like, I went by the mentality that you had to use a high heat to fry chicken, like with chicken tenders or with chicken wings, where, you use about 350 to 375. So with the larger pieces, what was happening was, it was pretty much the coating was burning and the inside wouldn't even be cooked. Until I spoke with my really good friend Shannon at work. I called her my meal mistress because we gave each other meals at work. She told me, no, you've got to fry it at a low temperature and then just cover it and let it go. And I was like, all right. So I gave it a try, worked like a dream. So you're looking for temperatures between 250 to 300. That's your range. You don't want to go too low because then it won't fry, and too high, then it's gonna burn. So 250 to 300, keep it within that range. And there you go. You have original recipe deliciousness on a plate.